Welcome friends! Today we are making a delicious Japanese dish, pork yakisoba. Yakisoba means fried noodles in Japanese and it's popular in Japanese restaurants. For this delicious recipe, you will need yakisoba noodles, bite-sized pork sirloin thinly sliced, green and yellow onion, cabbage, carrot, and garlic cloves. For the yakisoba sauce, you will need milk, oyster sauce, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and honey, and pickled ginger for the garnish. Begin by slicing the cabbage and carrot. Next, the yakisoba sauce. In a small cup or bowl, combine mirin, oyster sauce, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and honey. Mix together. Rinse and drain the noodles. In a large wok over high heat, add canola oil. Saute chopped garlic. Add sliced pork, cook until no pink meat remains. Add the sliced cabbage, carrot, and yellow onion. Cook until soft. Pour on the sauce and add the sliced green onions. Add some crushed black pepper. And here you have a delicious, popular Japanese dish, pork yakisoba. This is so awesome. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoyed the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.